You need to hear this if you love innovation in medical care. A true game-changer in patient care is here. In a groundbreaking development, researchers have created a brain-computer interface that lets a paralyzed woman communicate naturally. This remarkable tech translates brain signals into speech and facial expressions using tiny electrodes on the brain's surface. The system decodes neural activity in speech areas, controlling a digital avatar that speaks and mimics facial expressions. It's way more natural than old brain-computer interface that just synthesized speech from text. This leap forward offers renewed hope for individuals with severe speech impairments, like those affected by stroke, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or traumatic brain injury. Imagine restoring that vital human connection and massively improving quality of life. Though still in early stages, this tech represents a huge step forward. With further development, we could see even more sophisticated and accessible communication tools. The potential of brain-computer interface to transform lives is immense. Stay tuned for more breakthroughs.